Tabasco peppers, serrano peppers, yellow squash, some bunting onions, a tomato plant that grew right out of the middle of them, so I'm just gonna let it grow and see what happens. Lots of tomatoes in there. Got little flowers all over them, but no tomatoes yet, but they're coming. Got more pepper plants over there. Watermelon plant with a nice little watermelon growing right there. Got another one over here. This, I'm not sure what kind of squash this is, but they are delicious. Real buttery. So we got more of those coming. Okra plant. Starting to grow fast now. There's an eggplant, watermelon, another eggplant, pepper plant, some kind of a squash, tomatoes, some carrots. Here's another okra plant. Little cherry tomatoes. He's just loaded with them. These are starting to turn colors right now, so it won't be long before those are ready. Got some spaghetti squash. Kinds of greens. Some bell peppers. Some herbs right there. Some more peppers. I got those big old peppers in there. Nice peppers. Strawberries. Yeah, this is asparagus right here. So I guess plant it this season, and by next season we should be able to harvest some. Gotta wait through one season. That's what my wife's telling me. Amber, she's really into this. Here's some cilantro. Not sure what kind of plant this is. This is Amber stuff, but look at the flowers. Looks like we'll get a real good harvest on that plant. Looks like a crook neck or straight neck or something. Yellow squash.